Alright, so now let's get some people looking at the ad. And we're not going to go into depth on this because we're just running a test. We just want to gauge reaction. Being in the test phase, we're not going to spend a lot of time figuring out the best interest or the best possible way to target it. So we need to go into our account, click on Create Campaign, and in here there's a couple options. Boost Post is what we're going to be using because we have a post and we do want to boost it. You can also do Promote Your Page for like campaigns, send people to your website, increase conversions on your website, get installs of your app, increase engagement in your app, reach people near your business, which is pretty cool. Raise attendance at your event, get people to claim your offer, or get video views. So we are choosing this one because that's what we want to do. And you can see my page is already attached. So to create the campaign, all I'm simply going to do is click on this. And then it will actually have a drop down with timeline photos. And what I need to do is click on that. I just want to make sure that I have the right one, and it's this one. Would you wear this? Post yes in the comments below if you would. So I click on that, and then I just simply click on continue.